Okay. There we go. So yeah, no, I'm just gonna be playing some Stardew. Got my new world set up here, year 4. Gonna do a little farm review. So this is my house. Obviously, we're doing a little bit of redecoration here. Certain Ducky. Where's their name here? Oh, you can't even see it. Certain Ducky's been remodeling stuff a little bit. Trying to expand to this room as well. Don't have kids yet. Sort of the adventurer's room, right? Since we've been in so many dungeons. Got a nice lovely kitchen. Got a diamond generator here set up. I've got so many barrels for wine. Got a bunch of starfruit, trying to fill out more of it. I don't know what this is really for. Kind of just like a slave bed where I keep the dungeon monkeys. And then I'm trying to complete like a nice little honey circle here. I've got all my animals. Got 2 coops for dinosaurs, chickens, and ducks. And then I've got my pigs. I got a lot of pigs, mostly because of truffle oil. Got my Tesla center over there. Right. Got a bunch of nice trees here, cherry trees. Got a bunch of lobster pots here. Looking good. And then we come up here further, is where we actually have the guest house. So all my little slaves come here to help me out. Then I've got a nice little pond area here. We can go watch some of the fishy here, sit down, take a break from actually planting, watering all the crops. Should add these sprinklers aren't set up properly. Got a bunch of strawberries, hoops here. Got the slime skull here. More fish stuff. Don't really too care about like fish breathing though. Got a bunch of random shit. I haven't done anything here with this just yet, but we'll let it be for now. And then my real pride and joy is all this ancient fruit. Look at all this shit. I've got ancient fruit here, got star fruit there in the corner as well. Got like every type of apple tree that was like, or sorry, fruit tree that was available before the 1.5 update. So I don't have banana or anything like that. I know they added that after. Slowly coming back into Stardew. This is my second time playing in like 2 years, but I was like, you know what? I'll show it off. Spent a lot of time. Spent like 200 hours just making all this shit. My beautiful little world. I know it's not organized or anything like that, but you know, Stardew gives good vibes when you play it. And that's exactly what I need right now. Good vibes, good music. Got apricots, apples, cherries. Probably have to water these actually. Haven't been watered in forever. Got plum, peach. All this good shit. Got a bunch of, I obviously added some modded stuff. Look at all this ancient fruit. This farm alone makes several thousands a day. Got a giant ass mushroom there. Got a grandpa over here. Whoa, statue, what? You found a peculiar statue behind Grandpa's shrine. Oh my god, you actually get something? I literally just did this because I didn't redo it. Holy smokes. A shrine of perfection. You know what? Brings it here. Obviously, I chose mushroom farm. Better than the bat farm. Okay, you know what? This is going in front of the house. There we go. Or you know what? No. We're gonna put that smack dab in the middle. There we go. Maybe that's not the best spot, but we'll find a spot for it later, basically. Got 2 silos here. got my sheds here. So one shed's for like creating stuff. Right, but any bait, any cheese I need, or truffles, we just put it in here. Right. I'm a big fan of truffles. Makes lots of money, so that's why. Anything I need to smelt. Got a few mods. Got a bunch of animal stuff here. I haven't actually checked on it in a while, because, yeah, look at all that. I'll do something with it eventually, but for now, it is what it is. Oh, mix sauce. Let me open the coop. Come on. There we go. Let all these guys out as well. Let's what are we gonna call it? Nope, accidentally screenshotted. Chicken, or we are gonna call the new chicken nugget. There we go. Chicken nugget. Oh, little cute little chicken. How much does this stuff have? This is where I primarily have like my my black chickens. The ones that have been bewitched by a spell. Yeah, look at all of them truffles, my god. Honestly, I could optimize this a lot better. I think that's what I'm going to do. This is just kind of be like a thing, a little progress video so I can look back on my Stardew Valley world. I could start a new one, but man, so much work was already put into this one. Bigletto. So yeah, that's a little overview of my farm. I think it's nice. A lot of work's been put into it. Town-wise, of course, I've done everything else. I've got my horse with a Federo. And that's pretty much it. That's just a little review of my Stardew farm. And then one last thing what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go to Robin to get that extension, that house extension. And see if we can do it. Lots of little stuff has been added since I last played the game, so. Oh. I think I know this map off by heart. What's up, Robin? Open up beach. Yes. Make house renovations. There we go. Nice. What can we shop for? Oh, damn. Oh, yeah, I got the mod to make it look better. All the, what is all this stuff? Stonewall, okay. To make all the characters look a little better. What about any new farm buildings? No, I don't think so. Okay, it is what it is. But yeah, that's pretty much the review of my farm. I've got everybody. I haven't married anybody just yet, so I think that's what I might do. Oh, I should have gone to town to. Oh, my dog needs to be he needs some water. Gotta go pet him as well. No, 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 other way, other way. There we go. We'll buy a few more seeds, plant it up, make it nice and full. Local alcoholic Pam, good to see you. I don't have much mods. I've got like the cannabis mod, you know, slowly turn my farm, my beautiful farm into a Breaking Bad empire. Let's see, what should we grab? It's the 6th. Not a point. Let's just grab whatever we can here. Like 40 cauliflower. Tobacco seeds. Whoa. Onions. All this whoa. fuck yeah, let's try it out. Tobacco seeds. Whoa. Passion fruit takes 12 days. Not worth it, but red onions. That should be enough to keep us busy for now. So I should have gotten the tractor mod, but I do like riding around on my little horsey with the little gallop. 2 days, 800. Oh, I gotta do this as well. Okay. There we go. Nice, but Grandpa gave us 4 stars. Or 4 candles. That's... We finally got the good review. Oh, do we even have space for all this? Not really. Yeah, it's pretty much just concludes a tour of my farm. We're just gonna fix up the farm here. Probably should make more iridium sprinklers, but at the same time, really wants to farm this much, right? There we go. There we go. Nice, even. There we go. Plant all this goodness. Get a few cabbages. Basil. Could be organized a little better, but it is what it is. Okay, it's got its own sprites and everything. I like that. And then we can just put away the cauliflower seeds. We've got plenty of cauliflower as it is already. There we go. Perfect. Just chilling, vibing on the farm. You know, maybe this is a little too easy. Maybe I should start growing drugs. The cartel in Mexico can do it, so can I in Stardew. Question is, who would I sell drugs to? Probably Shane. I've got Shane, Pam. There's several mothers in town, you know, stay-at-home moms, are definitely bored taking care of the kids. So, give it to Robin. Robin will definitely smoke crack. Based on how, you know, the fact that it takes her 2 days to build something. She'll be building stuff non-stop in the rain. But yeah, the last thing I'm going to do just for today is going to be selling the ancient fruit, and that is it. A little short tour of my farm. Good stuff. We've got actually a lot of stuff we can sell. We'll just sell everything. Fruit-wise, cheese-wise, apricot. That is all. You know what? We'll even put the truffle in there. Couldn't be bothered right now to make it better. There we go. We've got our beautiful dog. And we've got the extra room now, which is perfect. We could put stuff in it. And there we go. Is that gonna make us a millionaire again? Oh no, never mind. Damn, that room cost quite a bit, but that's pretty much it. I will catch you all next time if I do something on this Peace out. Bye.